Today we will see how to perform sync and source wiring of Mitsubishi PLC with Mitsubishi Servo Drive MRJE. If you are using Mitsubishi PLC with model number ending as MT-ES, then it's a sync type output PLC. If its model number is ending as MT-ESS, then it's source type output PLC. For MRJE, control connector has 50 pins. Pin number 20 and 21 are for DI-COM. Connect to 24 volt DC. Connect 0 volt DC to pin number 46 and 47 for DIO-COM. Pin number 12 is for OPC, input 24 volt DC. Pin number 10 for PP, forward rotation pulse train. Connect any high speed output to it. For pin number 35, connect any PLC output to this pin. You need to set PA13 accordingly. Pin number 15 is for servo on. Connect this drive input to any of the PLC outputs. Pin number 19 is for servo reset. Connect this pin to any of the PLC outputs. Pin number 42 is for force stop 2. This is by default NC type input. When this input is triggered, the servo will stop after deacceleration. Now, pin number 43 is for forward rotation stroke limit. This can be triggered using PLC or any hardwired limit switch also. Pin number 44 is for reverse rotation stroke limit. That can be also be wired like pin number 43. Yes. Now, pin number 48 is for alarm output from drive. Connect this to any of the input of PLC. Now, pin number 49 is for ready output. Connect this pin number to any of the PLC inputs. So guys, this is the basic wiring which you require to run servo drive MRJE using sync type wiring. Now moving to source type wiring here. Note that in source type wiring we do not connect OPC, that is pin number 12. Pin number 12 will be removed here. Now pin number 20 and 21 DI-COM requires 0 volt DC. Pin number 46 and 47 DIO-COM requires 24 volt DC. Now apart from this, pin number 36 and 37 and 38 connect this to 0 volt. Now pin number 10 is no longer be used for source type wiring, so we need to move that pulse train forward rotation pulse train input to pin number 11, that is PG. Now also the pin number 35 which we have connected in source type sync type wiring, it will be shifted to pin number 36, that is